What if I told you that your dream home could cost less than most people's college debt? While your neighbors are drowning in $400,000 mortgages, smart Americans are discovering container homes that deliver luxury living for under $80,000. The average American home now costs $420,000, but these container homes start at just $16,997. That's not a typo. We're talking about genuine, livable homes for less than what most people spend on a mid-range pickup truck. And here's the kicker. Every single home on this list can be delivered and set up in under 8 weeks. Compare that to traditional construction, which averages 10 to 16 months, and you'll see why container homes are revolutionizing how Americans think about home ownership. Number 10, the J. Carter Pod, $16,997. Let's start with the most affordable home on our list, and honestly, it might just blow your mind. The J. Carter Pod proves that good things really do come in small packages. This 10-foot expandable marvel transforms from a compact shipping container into a 165 to 195 square foot living space in under 1 hour. Yes, you heard that right. 1 hour. While your friend is still arguing with contractors about permits, you could literally be moving into your new home. But here's what makes this pod special. It's engineered to withstand Category 5 hurricanes. We're talking about a home that costs less than most people's annual car payments, but can survive weather that would flatten traditional houses. Inside, you'll find a cleverly designed studio layout with 1 loft and 1 bathroom. The bathroom features dry/wet separation with Chonghong glass partitions, a copper core shower, wash basin, intelligent mirror cabinet, and a full toilet setup. For under $17,000, you're getting bathroom amenities that most $200,000 homes don't include. The sleeping loft maximizes every square inch, and the open floor plan makes the space feel surprisingly spacious. Plus, the modern double-pane windows and superior insulation mean your utility bills will be practically non-existent. Number 9. The Sugarloaf, 20 feet, $49,995. This container house proves affordable doesn't mean cheap. The Sugarloaf 20 feet is one of the very first models to roll out of this USA factory, and honestly, it set the bar so high that competitors are still trying to catch up. This is a 20-foot high cube container that's been used twice or less, basically new, transformed into a complete plug-and-play home. And when I say plug and play, I mean it. This thing can be plugged in and used immediately just like an RV. No waiting for contractors, no permit delays, just pure move-in ready convenience. But here's where it gets interesting. Those 9-foot ceilings, they completely eliminate that cramped feeling most people associate with container homes. Step inside, and you'd never guess you're in a repurposed shipping container. The interior features premium waterproof plank flooring. Not cheap laminate, but actual quality flooring that'll last decades. Smooth drywall ceilings and walls give you that finished home feel, while premium wood cabinets provide storage that rivals traditional homes. The bathroom alone is worth the price of admission. Premium plank shower walls with a rainfall shower head, an 8-gallon water heater, and a complete bathroom setup that feels more like a boutique hotel than a tiny home. But my favorite detail? The shiplap upgrade in the living and bedroom ceilings. It adds this perfect rustic modern vibe that makes the space feel intentionally designed, not just efficient. The custom built-in bed with storage is pure genius, maximizing every square inch while keeping the aesthetic clean. Add in the bar sink with faucet, premium impact-rated commercial glass windows, and an installed induction cooktop, and you've got a legitimate home for under $50,000. The insulation specs are serious too. R22 for the ceiling and R13 for the walls. Your energy bills will be so low, you'll think there's been a mistake. Want to go off-grid? Add their $15,000 package that includes 200 ampere-hour lithium batteries, 450-watt solar panels, a 3,000-watt inverter, and a composting toilet. Total cost? Still under $65,000 for complete energy independence. Number 8. The King's Peak, 40 feet, $99,995. Now we're getting into serious territory. The Kings Peak 40 takes everything we've seen and doubles down on space and sophistication. At 40 feet long, this home provides separate defined living areas: bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, and a proper entryway. We're talking about a real floor plan, not just a studio with clever furniture. Built to the same hurricane-resistant Miami County standards, this home uses premium materials throughout. But it's the upgrades that really shine. The premium impact-rated oversized commercial glass windows aren't just for looks. They flood the interior with natural light, while being engineered to survive debris impacts during storms. The installed induction cooktop and LED vent hood create a proper cooking space that home chefs will actually enjoy using. The bathroom gets a major upgrade with a premium LED mirror featuring anti-fog technology. No more wiping down mirrors after showers. It's the little luxuries that make daily life better. The custom built-in bed with storage continues the smart space utilization we've seen in the smaller models, but in the 40-foot length, you have room to actually breathe and spread out. The open main floor concept connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating a flow that feels natural and spacious. This is a home where you could comfortably entertain guests or raise a small family. At just under $100,000, you're getting a turnkey home that would cost $300,000 plus to build traditionally, and it'd take over a year instead of weeks. Number 7. The Kohala 40 feet off-grid container home. $108,995 to $120,995. For anyone who's dreamed of true energy independence, the Kohala is your answer. This is the Kings Peak on steroids, engineered specifically for off-grid living. The base package is mind-blowing. 10 455-watt solar panels, generating 4,550 watts of power. That's serious electricity.
Enough to run everything from air conditioning to your laptop.
To kitchen appliances without breaking a sweat. The dual 3,000-watt inverters mean you've got backup and redundancy. 4 200-ampere-hour 24-volt batteries provide 1,600 amp-hours of storage. That's days of power without sunlight. The composting toilet eliminates the need for septic systems, while the included combiner box manages your solar array professionally. What's brilliant about this setup is that it's not experimental technology. This is proven, reliable off-grid capability installed by professionals who've done this hundreds of times. The base model, $108,995, comes with standard finishes. The premium model, $120,995, includes all the upgrades we saw in the Kings Peak: the premium glass, LED mirror, induction cooktop, and custom built-ins. Imagine parking this on raw land. No utility bills, no connection fees, no monthly payments to power companies. Just pure, independent living. Number 6. The Geneva Flatpack Garden Room, $24,995. If you've ever dreamed of a perfect home office or guest house that doesn't look like it came from a catalog, the Geneva Flatpack is your answer. This 8.5 by 8.2 foot prefab arrives as a flat pack in a single 20-foot container, which means delivery costs are minimal no matter where you live in America. But don't let the compact packaging fool you. Once assembled, this becomes a 70-square-foot powerhouse of efficiency. The assembly process is so simple, it's actually enjoyable. We're talking about a weekend project that results in a legitimate additional dwelling unit. The prefabricated panel boards snap together like high-end furniture, and the quality control that comes from factory construction means every piece fits perfectly. What really sets the Geneva apart is its above-average heat and sound insulation. This isn't just a shed with windows. It's a genuine living space that stays comfortable year-round. The modern aesthetic works in any environment, from urban backyards to rural retreats. Number 5. The North Cascades. Expandable, $40,995. Here's where container homes get really interesting. The North Cascades takes 20 or 30 feet of shipping container and transforms it into a 2 to 3 bedroom home with 600 square feet of living space. The magic happens in the expansion. This isn't just a container with some rooms added. It's an engineered system that unfolds to create genuine family living space. In the 20-foot version, you get 2 bedrooms. Upgrade to the 30-foot model, and you're looking at 3 bedrooms, perfect for a small family. The full bathroom includes a shower, vanity, and toilet, plus the kitchen comes with lower cabinets and sink already installed. You choose your countertop finish, which means you can customize the look without the custom price tag. But here's what I love most about this home. It expands in under an hour, but feels like it was built on site. The engineering that goes into the folding walls and roof systems is simply brilliant. When expanded, you get 7 windows and 1 large front glass entry door, flooding the interior with natural light. Number 4. The Carlsbad Caverns 40-foot, $52,000. This is where container homes get dramatic. The Carlsbad Caverns isn't just a home, it's a 320 square foot statement piece that maximizes one of the most underutilized resources in home design: views. Picture this: 40 feet of floor-to-ceiling windows. We're not talking about a few windows. We're talking about panoramic views that would make a $1 million home jealous. The entire length of your home becomes a viewing platform for whatever environment you choose. The 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout is thoughtfully designed to take advantage of all that natural light. The free-flowing floor plan eliminates unnecessary walls, making the 320 square feet feel much larger than the numbers suggest. But here's the brilliant part. The Carlsbad Caverns can withstand winds up to 110 miles per hour, earthquakes up to Richter scale 8, and up to 20 pounds of snow per square foot. You're getting a home that's both beautiful and bulletproof. The optional, fully retractable deck is where this home really shows off. For an additional $7,500, you can have a deck that retracts in 3 to 5 minutes, protecting your windows from weather or giving you privacy when you want it. Number 3. The Haleakala 20-foot tiny home on wheels, $52,995. Just $3,000 more than the Sugarloaf gets you something revolutionary: wheels. The Haleakala takes everything great about the Sugarloaf and makes it mobile. Built on a custom US-made steel trailer that can hold up to 12,000 pounds, this isn't some flimsy tiny home that'll rattle apart on the highway. This is road trip ready, adventure-proof housing. The interior is nearly identical to the Sugarloaf. Same 9-foot ceilings, same premium materials, same attention to detail. You get the waterproof plank flooring, smooth drywall finish, premium wood cabinets, LED lighting, and that gorgeous rain shower. The shiplap ceiling upgrade, custom built-in bed with storage, and premium impact-rated windows all come standard. You're not sacrificing a single amenity for mobility. Here's what makes this special. You have 2 options for getting it home. Option 1, fly to Florida, spend a weekend learning about your new home, and drive it back yourself. Option 2, hire a courier service and have it delivered anywhere in America. Think about that flexibility. Don't like your neighbors? Move. Found better land? Take your home with you. Job transfer? Your home goes too. The same off-grid package is available, making this potentially the ultimate nomad setup. Park it on your land, disconnect from utilities, and live however you want. Number 2. The Grand Teton 3-bedroom Deluxe, $125,000. At the top of our list sits something truly special. The Grand Teton isn't just a container home. It's 960 square feet of luxury, living created from 3 adjoining 40-foot containers, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a real kitchen with granite countertops. This is family-size living without family-size mortgage payments. The master bathroom includes an installed bathtub, not a shower tub combo, but an actual soaking tub. The second bathroom features a stand-up shower with premium fixtures. Floor-to-ceiling windows create a lofted daylight ceiling in the center living area, flooding the entire home with natural light and creating an open, airy atmosphere that rivals $1-million custom homes. The open floor plan connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas seamlessly. You've got room for proper furniture, not just space-saving foldouts. This is where life happens. Homework at the dining table, cooking Sunday dinners, hosting friends for movie nights. The fully completed and installed cabinets throughout provide massive storage. Countertops come with your choice of granite finish, letting you personalize the look without custom pricing. At 960 square feet, This is legitimately bigger than many traditional homes, and for $125,000, you're looking at about $130 per square foot. Traditional construction runs $200 to $400 per square foot and takes 10 to 16 months. This ships in 6 to 8 weeks. Number 1. The Duo Modi 20-foot expandable, $26,999. Here's where value meets versatility. The Duo Mod proves that you can have a legitimate 2-bedroom family home for less than the cost of a luxury SUV. This 20-foot expandable container transforms into 385 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. 2 private bedrooms, a central living and dining area, a full kitchen, and a complete bathroom, all pre-framed, pre-wired, and ready to move in. The expansion happens in under an hour, but the engineering that makes it possible took years to perfect. Hurricane-resistant materials, fire-retardant construction, and superior soundproofing, up to 60 decibel reduction, mean this home performs like houses costing 10 times more. The kitchen is ready for appliances and storage, while the bathroom includes shower, vanity, toilet, and built-in storage. The double-pane windows and premium materials throughout ensure this home will serve your family for decades. Here's what these 10 homes prove. The American dream of homeownership doesn't have to bankrupt you. While traditional home prices continue climbing toward $500,000, these container and prefab homes offer a smarter path to ownership. Every home on this list can be delivered and set up faster than most people can get approved for a traditional mortgage. We're talking about real homes, with real addresses, real utility connections, and real pride of ownership. The best part? Most of these homes cost less than a 20% down payment on a traditional house. Instead of spending $80,000 for the privilege of taking on $400,000 in debt, you could own your home outright for the same amount. If you're serious about container home living, here's what you need to do. First, check your local zoning laws. Most areas allow these homes, but requirements vary by location. Second, consider your land situation. Some of these homes require minimal site preparation, while others need full utility connections. Third, think about your timeline. If you need to move quickly, focus on the fully equipped options. If you have time and want to save money, consider the shell versions that you can finish yourself. The container home revolution isn't coming. It's here. While everyone else debates mortgage rates and housing prices, smart Americans are discovering that the path to homeownership might just be sitting in a shipping container. These aren't compromise homes. They're choice homes. The choice to live debt-free. The choice to own land instead of rent money. The choice to have a home that works for your life instead of a life that works for your mortgage. So, which home caught your attention? Are you ready to think outside the traditional housing box? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we're just getting started exploring the future of affordable living.